Did you know that cutting carbs and sugar from your diet could help you lose weight faster, improve your energy levels, and even reverse insulin resistance? And here's the kicker: you don't have to starve yourself or eat boring food to do it. Stay with me, because today we're diving into 10 delicious foods that contain 0 carbs and 0 sugar, and they're actually good for you. Let's face it, in a world overloaded with sugary drinks, hidden carbs, and ultra-processed foods, trying to eat healthy can feel like an uphill battle. And for many people, the idea of cutting out carbs and sugar sounds like sacrificing flavor, fun, and fullness. But here's the truth: eliminating carbs and sugar doesn't mean giving up delicious meals. In fact, once you cut those cravings and stabilize your blood sugar, you'll probably feel better than you have in years. More energy, better focus, even weight loss without extreme dieting. The biggest challenge? Misinformation. Most people think carbs are only in bread or pasta, but they forget about hidden sugars in sauces, dressings, and even so-called healthy snacks. And let's not even start on low-fat products loaded with sugar to make them taste better. That's why today, I'm breaking down 10 no-carb, no-sugar foods that are not only healthy, they're also tasty, versatile, and easy to add into your daily routine. Ready to take control of your diet and feel amazing? Let's dive in. Number 1. Eggs. Let's start strong with a breakfast champion. Eggs. 0 carbs, 0 sugar. Tons of nutrition. Eggs are rich in protein, healthy fats, and important nutrients like choline and B12 that support brain and heart health. They're also incredibly filling, making them great for weight loss and appetite control. Boiled, fried, scrambled, or baked into egg muffins, the possibilities are endless. If you can, choose pasture-raised eggs. They have a better nutrient profile and taste amazing. Number 2. Avocado oil. Avocado oil is a hidden gem for healthy cooking. It's made entirely from avocados, contains no carbs or sugar, and is full of monounsaturated fats, which are great for your heart and skin. It has a high smoke point, which means you can use it to sauté, roast, or grill without breaking down its healthy fats. Just be sure to buy 100% pure avocado oil. Avoid mixed or flavored versions that may sneak in additives. Number 3. Salmon. This oily fish has 0 carbs and sugar, but it's loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and essential nutrients like selenium and B vitamins. Salmon is amazing for reducing inflammation, boosting brain function, and protecting heart health. Grill it, bake it, or enjoy it raw as sashimi. It's a versatile, flavorful protein source that fits perfectly in any low-carb diet. Go for wild-caught when possible. It's more nutrient-dense and better for the environment. Number 4. Spinach. Let's add some greens. Spinach is one of the best leafy vegetables you can eat. Although it has a trace amount of carbs, its high fiber content brings the net carbs to nearly 0, and it contains no sugar at all. Spinach is rich in iron, magnesium, and antioxidants that support everything from your metabolism to immune health. Toss it in a smoothie, sauté it with garlic, or layer it into an omelet. It adds bulk to your meals with barely any calories. Number 5. Chicken. Chicken, especially breast or thighs with the skin on, is a staple in any no-carb, no-sugar meal plan. It's pure protein, and it contains 0 carbs and sugar when prepared simply. Bake it, grill it, roast it. Just avoid breading or sugary sauces. Pair it with herbs and spices for endless flavor options. Plus, it's affordable and easy to meal prep for the week. Number 6. Tuna. Tuna, whether canned or fresh, is another low-carb powerhouse. No carbs, no sugar, just lean protein and heart-healthy fats. Keep a few cans of tuna in your pantry for quick lunches or snacks. Mix it with olive oil, lemon, and herbs instead of mayo for a healthier twist. It's great for weight loss, energy, and even brain function, thanks to its omega-3 content. Number 7. Coconut oil. Let's talk fats. Coconut oil contains 0 carbs and sugar, and it's unique for its medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs. These fats digest quickly and may boost your metabolism. Use it to sauté veggies, mix it into smoothies, or even add it to coffee if you're going keto style. Just like with avocado oil, go for unrefined virgin coconut oil for the best health benefits. Number 8. Beef. Beef is another solid 0 carb, 0 sugar protein. Steak, ground beef, liver, all packed with iron, B vitamins, and zinc. Beef keeps you full and helps build muscle, and grass-fed options are even richer in omega-3s. Just watch out for processed meats like jerky that can contain added sugars or fillers. Number 9. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are technically low-carb, but many types, like white button or portobello, have virtually no sugar and minimal net carbs. They're full of antioxidants, potassium, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Grill them, roast them, or sauté with butter and garlic. Mushrooms add depth and flavor to any dish without spiking your blood sugar. Number 10. Seaweed. Now here's the surprising one. It's zero carb, zero sugar, and absolutely packed with minerals like iodine, iron, and magnesium. Seaweed supports thyroid health, helps detox the body, and even adds a salty crunch to meals or snacks. Try it as a wrap alternative, in soups, or as roasted seaweed snacks. They're crispy, light, and delicious. Who would have guessed that something like seaweed could be such a nutritional powerhouse? With zero sugar and carbs, it's proof that there are plenty of flavorful, fun, and unexpected foods that fit perfectly into a clean, low-carb lifestyle. The best part? You don't have to feel deprived or bored. You just need the right foods. Let's quickly recap what we covered. We explored 10 super healthy foods, from eggs and chicken to seaweed and spinach, that are totally free of sugar and carbs. These options are not only nutritious, but also incredibly versatile, making it easy to build satisfying meals while cutting the junk. Remember, healthy eating isn't about punishment. It's about eating smarter and choosing foods that fuel your body and mind. If this video gave you new ideas for your no-carb, no-sugar journey, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss any of our weekly healthy eating videos. Comment below, what's your favorite no-carb, no-sugar food? Let's share some ideas. And if you want some inspiration for healthy meal prep, check out the next video on screen right now. It's full of tasty and easy ideas to help you stay on track.